thank you for this opportunity to present this proclamation to you all. So proclamation number 2025-17, proclaiming the week of July 26th through August 2nd as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week 2025 in Georgetown County. The Gullah Geechee people are descendants of enslaved Africans from various ethnic groups of West and Central Africa brought to the U.S. and forced to work on the plantations of coastal South Carolina, Georgia, North Carolina, and Florida. Gullah Geechee people have retained many aspects of their African heritage. In 2006, the U.S. Congress enacted the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Corridor Act for preservation of historic sites, including those in the Low Country relating to Gullah culture. Proclamation 25-17 recognizes and celebrates the importance of the Gullah Geechee culture, as well as the history and legacy of the Gullah Geechee culture in Georgetown County. Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week will launch on historic St. Helena Island on Saturday, July 26, 2025 at noon. The theme for this year's celebration is 25 years of self-determination, celebrating the roots and legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation. And I want to recognize also, it is also Queen Quest's 25th anniversary as head Pony Body and the official spokesperson of the Gullah Geechee Nation. We invited her to speak here. Thank you, thank you.
Good evening, Georgetown County. Glad for be back here one more again with 100 children. This is the first time my mama come here with me. She did a season and thing like that from St. Helena, South Kakalaki. So I'm so glad for there, and I see that Mr. Morant he got it chilling here and thing like that. It's a blessing this evening, because we know one thing about the Gullah Geechee: we love family, we love God, we love family, we love we land. So when I heard the man mentioned this and the boots on the ground thing, I was ready for us to get the fans out a little while, because I thought the celebration was starting the season right then. But I'm glad to tell y'all to be glad that one more again Georgetown County going to celebrate who we be as Gullah Geechee, because we couldn't say 100 of the year and we Gullah Geechee none now from race. And this your county the world over been none now from that Carolina gold. But rather us the richness of we come through black gold and who we be as Gullah Geechee. So for this 25th anniversary, we were so glad to get the message at Georgetown County. Ben won't be the first one to give me the proclamation, but Governor McMaster beat you to it. He had the first one, but y'all the first county, but we stayed also celebrating Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week with weekend this year. So thank you one more again, Georgetown County. It's a blessing to be back here, and we're going to be back here, boots on the ground, fans up, during that week, celebrating with you right here on the hammock coast, because everybody might need to lay down in a hammock after all the partying. So we appreciate y'all. Thank you for this evening. Thank you, Sister Moran. It's a blessing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry, Council. Some of y'all are come here, so y'all didn't know it was time that I was finished, because I said that all ago. For the business, but I also brought these that tell you about Gullah Geechee Family Day when the week launches and the number of other events that we'll be having. And so I will leave some also on the podium, but these are for the clerk and for the council members. And so I appreciate y'all.
Great, thank you so much.